Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a Shein Kids Halloween clothing haul for toddler girls. First up, we have these adorable hair bows featuring a skeleton, spider, pumpkin, and a cute ghost. My initial impression is that they are cute and well made for the price. And let me tell you, the spider bow is going to be a huge hit in our house. Spiders are a top favorite around here. Now, moving on to our next item. This orange sweatshirt is a size 4 year. It has a cute graphic that says, "Let's go Ghouls." Not only is this a very cute sweatshirt, but it appears to be of excellent quality as well. Just a quick tip, when it comes to clothing with graphics like this one, it's always a good idea to opt for a gentle cold wash and hang dry to keep it looking its best. Now let's take a look at this adorable set, also in a size 4 year. It features a peplum style top with a fringe along the bottom. You'll also notice a cute ghost applique, although there seems to be a slight blemish on the ghost, or maybe it's just lint. The set also includes matching pants with a ghost print. It also has a scarf that has the same print as the pants. Next, we have another sweatshirt in size 4 year. This one has a print on it of a pony wearing a witch's hat. This one is super adorable and unique. It will probably be popular with my daughter. Horses and ponies are popular in this house too. More popular than the spiders, I should add, but to be fair, this sweatshirt also features a spider on the witch's hat. Now, moving on to another fantastic find. It's a skeleton outfit. I'm excited about this one. I hope it's as good as the product pictures. This is really adorable, you guys, and looks like it's good quality too. The skirt is really soft. However, it does have a graphic on it, and to prolong wear on this, I should probably wash it on cold and hang dry it. Finally, our last item in this haul. It's an adorable owl dress in size 4 year. My initial impression is that it feels like it's good quality with a thick material, and I love the big adorable owl eyes, which makes this incredibly cute. This concludes our Halloween Shein Kids clothing haul, everyone. Thanks for watching. Thank you all for joining. I loved having you. I hope today's content was useful. The links to all the items are included in the description if you want to check those out. If you are interested in watching more content, please give a like and subscribe. See you all next time.